Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous video, you have learned that how you can install Scratch on your PC and laptop. In today's video, I will be telling you about the Scratch in detail. Firstly, you should know that Scratch is the one of the easiest computer programming language. It has a platform that can be downloaded for free. It is used to create games, animated stories, projects, and so on. First of all, I am telling you how you can start Scratch on your computer. First of all, go to icons. Here you will find this icon for the Scratch to just bring your mouse pointer here and double click on it. Once you will double click on it, then this type of screen it will appear on your computer. Here are the main components of the Scratch. On the top, this is known as menu bar. This is the main component of the Scratch window, menu bar. It is the topmost bar of the Scratch window. It includes the option to save, open, and edit a project. Now I am telling you about another component of the Scratch. This is known as sprite. Sprite is a small graphical character that performs action in a project. It can be of any type, shape, color, and size. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is the default sprite in the Scratch, as you can see here on the screen. Now I am telling you about the another component which is called stage. A sprite is placed on the stage to perform actions. This is stage and this is sprite. By default, sprite is cat. And a sprite is placed on the stage to perform actions. It is the area where sprite moves when you run a project. It is divided into x and y coordinates. Look here, this is x and this is y. So it is divided into x and y coordinates. These coordinates denote the position of your sprite on the stage. Now I am telling you about the code blocks. Look here, these are code blocks. Firstly, I am telling you what are code blocks. In Scratch, blocks are like puzzle pieces used to create projects. It contains many sets of blocks that are used in a program. And next one is script. This is script. A script is created by joining blocks of either same or different categories. It is used to program a sprite and it should have at least 2 blocks. Now I am telling you that how many Now I am telling you about the different Scratch blocks. These are motion blocks. These blocks control sprite placement. Next, looks blocks. These blocks change the sprite and background appearance. Next is sound blocks. These blocks control the playback and volume of musical notes and audio files. Now next one is pen blocks. These are used to draw using different colors and pen sizes. Next one it is data blocks. These blocks include two subcategories, variables and lists, but both are related to storing and accessing data and used by applications when they execute. Next is events block. Look here. These blocks are used to control events and the triggering of scripts. Next one is control blocks. These blocks are used to control the execution of script based on predefined event. Next one is sensing blocks. These blocks can be used to determine the location of a mouse pointer, its distance from other sprites. Now next one it is operators block. These blocks perform arithmetic operations, rounding and other logical comparisons. Next is more blocks. These blocks are user made or custom blocks. Now we will discuss about the script area. The blocks are dragged and dropped here into the script area to create a script or a program. In the Scratch you can add extensions of other blocks, and it can be you can add now I am telling you how you can change the sprite. You can start your main program. This is a green flag on this screen, this one. This green flag, when you are clicking on the green flag, then it can start your main program. This red button, this is stop button. You can click on the stop button to stop your main program. Now I am telling you about the new sprite button. You can choose sprite from the library. By default it is cat, but you can choose a new sprite from the library. Once you will click on it, then it will show you number of sprites in the library. You can choose any one from it. As I am selecting one from here like this, you can also select any one from here. So in this way you can add a new sprite in your area. Now I am telling you how you can delete this sprite. First I told you how you can change the sprite. Now I am telling you how you can delete this inserted sprite from here. See how it is to be done. How you can delete this sprite from the area. Look here. First, just right click on it, on this sprite like this. Then this shortcut menu it will appear. From here you can choose delete option for deleting this sprite. So in this way you can delete the sprite from this area. So it was about the sprite, how you can add a new sprite, and how you can delete a sprite. Now I am telling you about the costumes. See, next one, it is about the costumes. Go to Now I am telling you how you can add, you can select the costume from the costume library like this. Any of the costume you can select from the library, as I am selecting from here. You can also select the costume from the costume library. This tab allows you to create costume, edit or copy the image of the sprite on screen. Next is about the sounds. This is sounds tab. Once you will click on it, then it displays the sounds of the current sprite. So this is about the sound tab. If you want to quit from Scratch, then just go to close button and click on it. It will ask you to save project. Then if you want to save this project, you will click on the save button. Otherwise click on don't save option. So in this way you can quit from the Scratch. So in today's session I have explained you about the Scratch window and its components. I have also explained you about the different Scratch blocks like motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, and so on. In the coming video we will be discussing how we can create a program in the Scratch. So for today only this much. I hope you have learned about all the components of the Scratch window. That's all for today. Thank you so much.